are 5 really amazing things about aircraft. 1. This is one of the smallest airplanes ever built. It's called an ultralight, and it's powered by a small motor and the wind. Ultralights are the perfect way to quietly glide over the desert in Jordan. 2. A hot air balloon is another type of aircraft. Once the air is heated inside the balloon, it floats with the wind. Wow! 3. Sometimes small airplanes take visitors to places big jets don't fly, like this community at the edge of Australia. The pilot lands on a dirt runway. 4. This little airplane has a big goal. The pilot uses it to fly over this enormous nature reserve in Tanzania. From the air, he can spot if any of the rare rhinos he's protecting are in danger. 5. A helicopter is an aircraft too, and it's a great way to hover over the biggest canyon in the world. What a fun flight! And those are 5 really amazing things about aircraft.